Welcome to Math Challenge 637. Here we have an equation with nested radical sign and the time is 5 seconds. And beware of false and extraneous roots. You'll get false and extraneous roots which do not satisfy the equation. So Math Challenge for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. Math Challenge 637. So we are given this equation. First, we square both sides. We square both sides, and when we square both sides, the outermost radical sign will be removed. So we will get 3x plus square root of 4x equal to x squared, squaring both sides. So after squaring both sides, we got 3x plus square root of 4x equal to x squared. Now transposing we get x square minus 3x equal to square root of 4x. X square minus 3x equal to square root of 4x, transposing 3x to that side. So squaring both sides once again. Again we square both sides. So x square minus 3x whole square will be equal to square root of 4x whole square will be 4x. Once again squaring both sides. So left side whole square equal to the right side without the radical sign. So expand this left side in accordance with a minus b whole square formula. You will get x power 4 minus 6x 3 plus 9x square equal to 4x, or transpose all the things to one side and make the other side 0. So x4 minus 6x cubed plus 9x square minus 4x equal to 0. So we got this expression. Now we factorize this expression. Now we will factorize. Now we take out the common factor x. So within bracket we get x power 3 minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now we break minus 6x square as minus x square minus 5x square and plus 9x as plus 5x plus 4x. Now from the first two, x square common factor, x square bracket x minus 1. From the next two terms, 5x common factor within bracket x minus 1. And from the last two terms, 4 common factor within bracket x minus 1. This whole thing is equal to 0. Now we will continue factorization. We will continue the factorization. So from the above, x minus 1 will be a common factor. So take out x minus 1 as a common factor, and x square minus 5x plus 4. Now this can be factorized using breaking the middle term. So using breaking the middle term, we factorize and ultimately we get x into x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So the final factors of the expression, x into x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So we got the final factors, x into x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So the values of x are 0, 1 or 4. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 4. Now verify by substituting to eliminate extraneous and false roots. X equal to 0 will satisfy, both sides will be 0. X equal to 4 will also satisfy. Square root of 4 into 4 will be 4. And 3x, 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, square root of 16, 4. But x equal to 1 does not satisfy. X equal to 1 will not satisfy this equation, because 3 into 1 will be 3, plus square root of 4 into 1, 4, square root of 4 will be 2. So 3 plus 2, 5, square root of 5. So the value does not satisfy the equation. So reject this x equal to 1. So the final answer is x equal to 0, x equal to 4. It is necessary to verify because there may be false or extraneous root. X equal to 1 was a false root, was an extraneous root was a root that does not satisfy the equation, so we have always to verify it by substituting in order to weed out this unnecessary root or wrong answers. So x equal to 1 was a wrong answer. So x equal to 0 or x equal to 4. That was Math Challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exams. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world, so students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.